If you're not familiar with the caravan scene or you're not comfortable, something like this, a motorhome, is perfect. Drive it on a normal car license, plenty of room inside. This particular motorhome is a 6 berth, so it can fit 6 people in it. Plenty of room for the kids, plenty of room for the adults, bathroom on board, good seating facilities, good kitchen facilities, plenty of storage. So first timers, my recommendation, something like this is honestly ideal. All right, so in terms of seating inside the motorhome, you've got your 2 seats in the front, which is where the driver and the passenger is going to sit. And you've got 2 seats on this side, 2 seats on that side, both with the seat belts. You do have the option though, there is the bracket here to hook in a child seat if you had younger children that needed to have a child seat on the way. So that is also available with this van, so you can take the younger kids as well. All right, so in terms of bedding, this is the main bed in the van, so probably just a little bit smaller than a queen. So I would say this is where the mum and dad would sleep in the van. Just behind, we've got the table that converts down, so 2 small children would easily be able to fit on here, and that's where that one just table drops down and there's an insert in the cushion in here. And then up the top here, we've got the bed on top of the cab. So it's a really good size bed, whether it be for 2 further adults, 2 larger children, 1 adult, but plenty of sleeping room in this van and all nicely spaced out as well. All right, in terms of storage as well, we've got all this storage around the top here. Under the bed is where we pop all your tables, chairs. Weber barbecue is all under the bed for you, as well as that insert for the table if we need it. All along here as well is all storage. Good pantry storage here, and there's also storage on top of the lounge area. So plenty of room to be able to pack into this van for a family of 4, maybe even 2 people. It depends how many people are going away. Okay, so really good sized kitchen in this motorhome. Included in ours, you've got all up in these cupboards, toasters, kettles, crockery, glassware, cutlery, everything is in there for you. So no need to really bring anything along. You do have your microwave, you do have your range hood there, and you've got your cooker here as well. So you've got 1 electric and 3 gas, and you've got your griller there as well. And one of the most important things when it comes to a van to go on holidays is a really good size fridge and freezer, and we have that in this motorhome. Really good size, plenty of room in there for the family to load in all their bits and pieces. All right, luxuries when it comes to a motorhome or any caravan really, most caravans have them. You've got your nice big air conditioner on the roof here. Always good for the children and parents when they go to bed. We've got a TV that's hidden in this little compartment just here. We've also got the music system. So this is Bluetooth, so you can hook in your phone to that as well. So all the luxuries that you have at home are in this motorhome as well for you. All right, and then we've got the bathroom there at the back. So you've got a combo here. So it's quite a large combo shower and toilet. So you've got your toilet, you've got your shower, and just over in the corner, you've got a little basin there as well. So plenty enough that if you needed to shower or go to the bathroom in the van, there's plenty of room for that. All right, so here we are in the cab of the motorhome. So really easy to drive. It is an automatic. It is a normal car license that's required. It is super good on fuel. It's 11 litres per 100. And for a 24-foot motorhome, that's actually really good fuel consumption. So easy to drive, adjustable seats. You can plug in your phone for your Bluetooth speakers for music while you're driving. And this little rear view mirror up here, that is a constant camera, so you can always see what's behind you because obviously you can't see through the back of the motorhome easily. So that's a really good feature to have. So it's also got a navi system there, so you know where you're going. But all in all, really easy. You know, no stress about driving it. It's just a matter of getting comfortable with the size. All right, so working around the motorhome, this here is the hot water system, okay? So when that is on, taking caution because it can get a little warm in there. This is all storage under here. So in some of these, you've got your electrical cable, you've got your silage hose, and you've got your water hose. So they're all included in the van for you. You do have a TV point here, and you do have some plugs to plug in your, maybe an outdoor fridge. This here is a drop-down table, so it just gives another little table outside of the van. This cabin here is the under bed storage. So some things you can take out from here, some things are easier to take out from the inside of the van, but that does go through to the underneath the bed. In here we have our LPG gas storage. So there's 2 little 4.5 kilo bottles in there, and they do come full for the hire. So you've got plenty of gas to enjoy your stay. So that's in that compartment. Moving around to the back of the van, we do have a couple of bike racks here on the back. Okay, so take the bikes with you on holidays. You've also got that camera up the top there, which is that camera that's always in full view when we're driving. Around on this side, you've got the toilet cassette. That's in here, okay, so very easy to empty. And then more storage. So there's plenty of storage. We're certainly not short on that. So storage, this is into the cupboard. This one here is where we plug our water hose in. So that's when you go to a caravan park, you will plug your water hose in here and then plug it into the facility at the park. More storage again. And then this is where your 15 amp lead. So that is included. Your 15 amp lead will go into here, which will then plug into the power point at the park for you. Okay. Other than that, all very easy to use. Beautiful motorhome. Honestly, you can't go wrong.